Automation is an absolute game changer when it comes to investing, and we can now automate our cryptocurrency investments using Crypto.com's platform. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set it up and the automatic crypto investments I personally have set up using Crypto.com. I already made a whole video walking through Crypto.com's platform last month. I'll leave it up here in the corner somewhere, going through their platform, how to buy crypto, how to stake crypto, how to get their Crypto.com debit card. So yeah, check that out if you're interested. But this is going to be purely on how to automate buying cryptocurrency using Crypto.com. My name is Ryan and this is Making Money Simple. Welcome back to another video here on the channel, another crypto related video, and specifically another Crypto.com related video, the platform that I'm now using to buy my crypto, stake crypto, as well as their Crypto.com debit card where I get 2% cash back and Spotify reimbursed. I've been using that now since December last year, and yeah, very happy with it. I'm across all the different social media channels, so if you're looking for more content, feel free to drop me a follow on those. And I've also got some products available which will be linked in the description down below. But this video, as we mentioned, is about automating our crypto investments. First of all, I've got to say a massive thank you to Crypto.com for sponsoring this video. I'm a massive fan of their platform. I've been using them since December 2020 when I first got their Crypto.com card. Over time, I started using their platform to stake. Now I use it to automate my investments, as I'm going to show you shortly. So a massive thank you to them for sponsoring this video. If you want to sign up to Crypto.com's platform and get $25 free, use the first link in my description down below. So first of all, I'm going to talk through why automation is so important. I'm going to also have the little screenshot on the side so you can see how to actually set up an automatic investment using Crypto.com. I'm then going to show you the automatic cryptocurrency investments I've currently got set up. I've got 2 in total, and I'm also going to show you how the transactions go through. I'm then also going to tell you how you can make it completely hands-off. There is a way to essentially set up a standing order of cash to Crypto.com and then set up a recurring buy within Crypto.com so we can make our cryptocurrency investments completely hands-off and passive, which is what I've been doing now for over a month. So yeah, let's get into it.
Here comes the money.
So before I show you exactly how to do it, let's first of all talk about automation. Automation is my #1 personal finance tip when it comes to managing your money.
The best thing since sliced bread.
As humans, we're very emotional and irrational, and particularly when it comes to money, the more things we can leave out of our own hands, the more things we can automate, the better. If there's some biscuits on the table, you're probably going to eat them eventually. If there's some money in your bank account, you're probably going to spend it eventually. So if you can automate particularly your investments and your savings, that's going to make managing your money a lot easier and a lot more hands-off and passive. But automation hasn't just got to stop at investing and saving. We can automate pretty much anything when it comes to our personal finances, paying rent, paying bills, as I mentioned, investing into different pensions and ISAs, saving into different pots using regular savers, donating to charity can be automated, paying off your credit card in full can be automated. Most things can be automated when it comes to managing our money each month. And as I mentioned, the more we can automate, in my opinion, the better, because the more stress-free managing our money becomes and the more passive and hands-off it is. So now on the side of the screen, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up an automatic recurring buy, the recurring buy feature on Crypto.com using their platform. It'll be somewhere on the side, one of the sides of the screen, but we essentially need to choose what, first of all, cryptocurrency we want to invest into, how much we want to invest. It has to be a minimum of £40 worth, the frequency, the day we want it to repeat on, and also how to pay. So if we click pay with, first of all, you can choose to set it with your fiat wallet, and brilliantly, we can set up a standing order from our main current account to our Crypto.com fiat wallet, and this is what I personally have done. Every Monday, I have a standing order from my main current account that I bank with, where my salary goes into. That then goes across to my Crypto.com fiat wallet every single Monday. I then have an automatic recurring buy. I have 2, as I'll show you in a second, 2 bi-weekly buys, one for Bitcoin, one for Ethereum, which means I'm investing every single week £40 into Crypto.com. That happens every Wednesday. So my money gets transferred on Monday and the investment then takes place on Wednesday. I've left a couple of days just because there may be a bank holiday or just in case there's an issue. There hasn't been yet. It's been perfect, but that is how I've set it up, and there's all the information you need to actually get going.
But wait, there's more.
So to quickly jump back into my phone, if I click the middle button at the bottom and then click recurring buy, I then get taken to the recurring buys I currently have set up. As I mentioned, I've got 2 Bitcoin and Ethereum, which repeat every other week. That bi-weekly, I've got £40 each, so I'm investing £160 in total in cryptocurrency. And yeah, that is how simple it is. If I then go and show you my actual transactions, so if I go back to the main screen, go into my crypto wallet, click on Bitcoin, you can then see all of my recurring Bitcoin purchases now for well over a month have been going through. If I go back again, my Ethereum is actually staked, which is why it's shown as 0. But if you once again scroll down, you can see my recurring F purchases have gone through. As this is Monday as well, if I now go down to my fiat wallet, you can see I've got £41.32. That is because my £40 has been transferred from my current account to crypto.com. That's completely automated. It took me 30 seconds to set that up, and now my money goes straight away every Monday. And then on Wednesday, this has been recorded on Monday the 13th of September. So on Wednesday the 15th of September, I'll then have another automatic investment going into Ethereum. Once again, completely passive and hands off. It's all set up. It took a few minutes. And that is how I am now automating my crypto investments to make another element of my investments per month more automated and hands off.
Sometimes my genius is... it's almost frightening.
And that is how to automate your investments using crypto.com. A fairly short video, but it's so important. As I mentioned, automation is my #1 tip when it comes to managing your money. For more than a year of investing into cryptocurrency, pretty much every week, I was not able to automate my investments. I would have to manually invest, which meant that I ended up missing some weeks, of course, because once again, if left up to your own devices, you're more likely to make a mistake. But now, this is completely automated, completely passive. All my money goes straight into my fiat wallet, and then every Wednesday that then gets invested into either Bitcoin or Ethereum, making my investments automated. So yeah, if you didn't know you could automate your cryptocurrency investments, this is exactly how you do it using crypto.com. If you want to sign up to their platform, once again, use the link in my description and we can both get $25. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.